started the day with a visit to the supermarket and of course using the Pam app shopping list. Hello darlings! Let's just start with the recipes. First of all, actually, that's my look of the morning for Valentine's Day. It's something cozy, but it's sweet. I did my hair and that's about it. So the first thing that we're going to cook is the bounty porridge with a sweet cocoa bowl, which looks amazing. So the reason why I'm doing exactly this dessert is because Bounty is the favorite chocolate bar of Georgi's. So he's gonna love this one because it's a healthy substitute of his most favorite chocolate eating ever. So now I started preparing the 2-layer raspberry chia pudding. It's early in the morning, but it does have to stay for over 2 hours in the fridge to be ready for tonight. I'm giving it like 8 hours to stay in the fridge, which is perfectly fine. And also I have to show you these ones. I got the prettiest cups from H&M. They were quite cheap, like they were okay for a glass cup. It looks very pretty when you make like desserts in it or coffee, so I'm gonna show you how I do my oat milk latte in it now. What time is it? It's time for bowls. It's time for Pam Up pink bowls. So we're starting with the pink raspberry energy bowls because we're gonna go on a walk and we're gonna get hungry. So I need a snack, and that's gonna be our snack today. Yeah, I know they don't look their best for sure, but I can assure you they were very yummy. And next time I'll make them pretty as well. And we have outfit number 2 for today. It's that beautiful polo from Zara and this very pretty, kind of unique I would say, skirt from H&M, and I'm gonna go walk the dog. Sweet home Alabama. And you know what I'm gonna do after that? So Pamela posted a Valentine's Day special dance. After we come back from the walk, I'm gonna eat some of the pink bowls to give me some energy, you know. And then we're gonna go and do the dance.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So that's a very unflattering angle, but I just showed you what I'm lying on, and it's this mat over here. I saw that Pamela was trying it out in one of her stories and it felt like something that I need, so I bought it and I'm trying it out as well. So wish me luck for the next 15 minutes. I'm lying on that while actually watching Mortal Engines. Last change of the night, and I just wanted to look a bit more like the dessert that I'm gonna show you just now. So Georgi is cooking at the moment the butter chicken, and I have prepared the dessert for after this, and it's beautiful. It's the dessert with chia seeds and it looks amazing. And also these glasses from H&M, they are really giving it justice, I think. And I can't cook, I'm the worst in the kitchen, and I still made this pretty thing over here. I can't wait to actually try it after we've had our dinner, but yeah, I'm happy with how it turned out and it's very, very beautiful.